Welcome back. It's time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
The government of the Turks and Caicos Islands is moving to actively enforce visa bans, warning that sponsors could face financial penalties and restrictions on future sponsorships if visitors they bring into the country overstay. Immigration Minister Jamel Robinson said the requirement for visa bonds has long existed under the immigration ordinance but has not always been consistently enforced. He says that is about to change. Robinson said the renewed enforcement is aimed at closing loopholes that have allowed some visitors to overstay without consequence, while the government absorbs the financial and administrative cost of enforcement. The minister said visa overstayers place unnecessary strain on immigration enforcement resources and undermine the government's ability to accurately track who is lawfully present in the country. And US President Donald Trump has issued a stern warning to Iran, stating that time is running out to negotiate a deal on its nuclear program. Trump claims a powerful US naval armada is heading towards Iran with a purpose. The US Navy has mobilized several aircraft carriers and combat aircraft, potentially positioning multiple carrier strike groups within operational reach of Iran in the coming weeks. This military buildup has raised the tensions in the Middle East region as the US appears to be giving itself options for potential sustained attacks on Iran if negotiations fail. And those were some of the top stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shadeberg.